Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find a solution for the sixth question in exercise 7.5. Let's take up the first subdivision, integral of dx divided by root of x plus 1 plus cube root of x plus 1. We will start with this basic substitution. 1 plus x the whole power 1 by 6 is going to be equal to t. So this means 1 plus x the whole power 1 by 3 will be t squared. Now let's look at 1 plus x. This will become t power 6 because I am taking that sixth power in both cases. So this is going to be equal to t power 6. So dx is going to be equal to 6t power 5 dt. Now let us put the modifications that whatever we have done in the original integration. Integration will become integral of 6t power 5 dt divided by, now root of this is going to become t cube plus this will become t squared. So you can take t squared outside. So it is integral of 6t power 5 dt divided by t squared into t plus 1. So if you divide, you can also take the 6 outside. So it is 6 into integral of t cube divided by t plus 1. Now you can do, the 6 is already there. Let's perform the long division here. So t cube is going to be divided by t plus 1. So this is going to be t squared. So this will become t cube plus t squared. So on subtraction, this will become minus t squared. So divide by minus t, you will get minus t square minus t. So on subtraction, this will become plus t. So plus 1. So t plus 1 on subtraction, you will get minus 1. So this can be written as 6 into integral of t square minus t plus 1 minus 1 divided by t plus 1 dt. Remember the 6 is for every term. So I am breaking this now as 6 into integral t squared dt minus 6 into integral t dt plus 6 into integral dt minus 6 into integral dt divided by t plus 1. So now you can do 6t cube by 3 minus 6t squared by 2 plus 6t minus 6 into log of t plus 1. So plus c. Now we are going to put back the t's value. So wherever the t is there, we are going to put 1 plus x. Remember, t cube is going to become 1 plus x to the power half. So let's make this modification. This means it is 6 into, now the t cube can be modified as cube root of 1 plus x. So 6 divided by 3 is going to be equal to 2. So 2 into 1 plus x to the power half. Now this is minus 3 into just 1 plus x to the power 1 by 3 plus 6 into t alone is 1 plus x to the power 1 by 6 because that's the original substitution minus 6 log into t is going to be again 1 plus x the whole power 1 by 6 plus 1 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. In this question, it is integral of dx divided by root of 1 plus root x. So the substitution we are going to make is going to be root of 1 plus root x is going to be made into t. So this means first I'm going to take the square on both sides. So 1 plus root x is equal to t squared, or just root x is equal to t squared minus 1, or x is going to be t squared minus 1 the whole squared. So dx is going to be equal to 4 into t squared minus 1 dt. So let's make all the substitutions that we have made here. So this is going to be, numerator is 4t into t square minus 1 dt, the whole thing divided by, remember we put the root itself as t, so this is going to be equal to t. So this t and t will get cancelled. So this is integral of, I'm taking the 4 outside, so t square dt minus 4 into dt. So this is 4t cube by 3 minus 4t plus c. Now let's put back this value. So this is going to be equal to 4 by 3 of, now what is the value of t? So t is going to be 1 plus root of x, the whole thing to the power half, and you also have a power 3 here, so this will become 3 by 2 minus 4 into, now this part is going to be just a t, so you can directly substitute root of 1 plus root of x plus c. So if you put back this value, please remember this 3, there is already a half in the part of the t, so this part will be combined as 3 by 2. So the final answer is 4 by 3 into 1 plus root x to the power 3 by 2 minus 4 into root of 1 plus root x plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 7th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.